Hi there, I'm going to show you how to make some vegan ranch using the hemp seed sour cream from my previous video. Start off by pouring the vegan sour cream into a bowl to mix with the other herbs and seasonings. To start off, add some dry dill, dry chives, and some dry or fresh parsley. Add a generous amount of onion and garlic powders, and a little bit of salt to taste. Stir and let it sit in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes and it's done. It's perfect for dipping veggies and chips or drizzling over some baked potatoes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.